How to make money using ChatGPT. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use ChatGPT to make money online. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So right here I'm on ChatGPT right here, as you can see, and we're going to be using it to create some different products or different services that we can offer online and make money with it. And it's going to be very easy and very simple. Now, I do have to mention that ChatGPT is going to help us with the process. It's not actually going to make us money. So you, of course, have to do the work for it. So what I'm saying is we have a bunch of different options right here. So if I come over here onto this website, we can see we have a bunch of different channels where there is no face showing, and you can easily create a channel like this, and you can easily make videos like this as well. It's pretty simple, very easy. So for example, maybe like a review channel, right? Like this one, like technology reviews. You want to give reviews on stuff that are just released, like the iPhone, the Apple Watch, or other smartphones, or any type of tech. You can easily create a script using ChatGPT, and you can use other services to create the videos as well. You can even go with other options as well, like maybe a travel channel or something like that. It's very easy. So for example, let's come over here on ChatGPT and tell it to write a script for us. So let's say we ask it to write a script on the top 10 beaches or top 10 sea or anything like that, right? So let's say write a script on top 10 beaches, and then we hit enter. Give it a couple of seconds to write a script for us, and we can move on. Okay, so now we have a script ready. Now, the next thing that is left for us to do is to find a voiceover artist. You could do this yourself as well if you have a good voice and a good fluent English. But if you don't want to do it, you can also hire other people as well. Like you can go up to Upwork over here and you can search for it. Like you can search for jobs. Let's search for voiceovers right here real quick. And we can find tons and tons of different jobs right here. As you can see, these are different jobs that our people are offering. You could also offer different jobs as well. Like you come over here, you search for, let's say, talent, right? You search for talent and you can find someone to go ahead and do voiceovers for your video. Like if you come over here onto YouTube, right, and let's go ahead and search for, some of these beach videos. Like as you can see right here, we have a bunch of videos. Let's play this one, right? So as you can see, it looks really nice. I don't know if you can hear it. Let me just...
We will explore the 10 best beaches in the world. From the well-known beaches in the Maldives to the hidden gems of Thailand, we'll help you plan your next beach vacation.
It's very simple. You have a script, right? You hire someone who can, record a voiceover for you on Upwork or freelancer.com, wherever you want, or you can do it yourself. And then you can go ahead and start editing the video. Now you can edit the video in a very simple way using Canva. Canva is a free software online that you can use to edit videos as well. And it's really amazing. So if you click on video option right here, you get a bunch of different options. You can create a blank video, you can create Instagram reel, Facebook photo, Facebook video, whatever you want. Or you can just simply click on create a design and use one for you. So over here we have a video as well, 1920 by 1080p. We're going to use that. We're going to open it up in the tab right here, and we're going to start editing our video. So over here we have a 5-second clip right here. We can extend it as well however long we want. It all depends on us, but generally we can go ahead and start picking out our video from the template section over here, or we can go ahead and go over to different websites such as Pixabay or Pexels, and we can find royalty-free images and videos and music as well, and we can go ahead and download them and start editing them on Canva. It's very simple. Like you just simply drag and drop them over here. You can add your voiceover as well. So for example, this is all a template. So let's go ahead and find some images right here. Now, according to this script, so we have Bondi Beach in Sydney, Australia. So let's go ahead and search for some beautiful images for this beach. And if we click on the images, we can see we have a bunch of different options right here. These are some very amazing and beautiful images we can use, and then we don't even have to go ahead and use the exact same images for this beach in every single clip. we can showcase like 2 or 3 images of this beach, and then we can use stock footages right here on Pexels or Pexabay. It all depends on you. Let's go ahead and select video on Pexabay, and over here maybe we can find the beach as well. So if I search for Bondi Beach, we can see we have a bunch of different options. We can go ahead and use this one as well, or we can just simply search for beaches, and then we can go ahead and use these types of clips to make our video and enhance the overall look and feel of the video. It looks much more better. We can use images, we can use videos. It all depends on you. And the overall our script is going to be, depending on how long you want it, it should be around 4 to 5 minutes. And if you think this is a bad idea, let me just show you. For example, if I come over here on this channel right here, and I come over here on Social Blade, and I just copy the link of this channel to, search for it right here. I'll paste it. We can go ahead and see that this is how much this channel is earning right here. Now, the estimate isn't that much, right? The lowest isn't that low. Usually it's much more higher than what it's shown over here, and a little bit lower than the highest point. So you can clearly estimate that this channel makes around 20 to 200,000 every single year. But yeah, as you can see, the channel is constantly getting views. It's getting subscribers as well. It's doing really, really well in ways of, overall analytics. Like, it's not that down as well. So you can easily create these types of videos and start earning this much every single year. Like, it's very simple. Like, ChatGPT has already made one thing easier for you, and that is a script. You can easily ask it to create a script for you in a matter of minutes, and once it's done, you can just send the script to the voiceover artist or do it yourself for the voiceover. And then you can start editing the videos using Pexabay or Pexels or other websites where you can find copyright free videos, images, and even music as well. So pretty simple. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification, as you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. Your support to the channel means a lot, and also share this video with your friends and family members if they enjoy this type of content and would like to know how to make money online, or just simply want to know how a particular software or website works. We post these types of videos daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. You will get new content every single day, so don't worry about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.